Welcome to All in One Zone. Hello friends, today in our channel we will discuss about
How to apply for TNPSC Recruitment Group 2 2022.
visit the TNPSC website https://www.tnpsc.gov.in. Next, look for the TNPSC Group 2 notification and then click on the link. Next, use a valid email address and cell phone number to register for the TNPSC Group 2 test. Now we will see about the steps to apply for TNPSC Group 2 Recruitment 2022. Visit TNPSC website tnpsc.gov.in. Next, click on New User to register and generate registration or login ID and password. Return to home page and go to apply online. Log in using the credentials and fill the application form for the post. Upload documents and pay the fee. Next, number 1, visit the official TNPSC website https://www.tnpsc.gov.in. Number 3, use a valid email address and cell phone number to register for the TNPSC Group 2 test. 4, you will receive an email with your registration number. 5, sign in and complete the application form including personal, educational and category information. Candidates who wish to apply can do it online through the official websites of the Commission tnpsc.gov.in or TNPSCEXAMS.net. The application process has started on February 23rd and the last date to apply is March 23rd. The selection of candidates will be done on the basis of 3 stages: prelims, mains and interview. Now we will see who is eligible for TNPSC Group 2 exams. If you are between the age of 21 to 30 years and have completed the bachelor's degree from a recognized university, you can apply for the TNPSC Group 2 exam 2022. To apply for the exam, visit the official website of TNPSC and complete the application process. I have already uploaded several videos like topics regarding devotional videos, educational videos, cooking videos, motivational videos, beauty videos, gardening videos. Please go to my channel, check them out and also subscribe to my channel. I hope the information shared in this video will be useful to you all. Give a like to this video and also share the video and also give your feedback regarding this video in the comment box.
I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, give a like, subscribe to this channel and also share to your friends and relatives. Thank you.